Poet, civil rights activist, and feminist Maya Angelou once said, "A strong woman stands up for herself. A stronger woman stands up for everyone else." In the Philippine Coast Guard, we are fortunate to work with such strong women who have chosen not just to stand up for themselves, but also for others. Women who face the same risks and make the same sacrifices as their male counterparts in order to help save lives, protect our seas, shape a brighter future for the nation. As we open the Women's Month, allow me to honor, recognize, and thank all women, especially the Philippine Coast Guard, for their valuable contributions. In celebration of the National Women's Month is a call to recognize and support every woman's personal and professional journey. It is about creating a space where women can define their own paths, pursue their passions, and contribute meaningfully to the society. The same theme, babae sa lahat ng sektor, aangat ang bukas sa bagong Pilipinas, is a powerful reminder. Participation of women in all sectors of society is more than about fairness and diversity. It's about recognizing their individual skills, talents, and perspectives to maximize potential for every organization to achieve their respective goals and missions. We must continue to work towards eliminating gender biases and breaking systemic barriers that hinder women from actively participating in society. This month, let us focus on empowering women and amplifying their contributions, not just through recognitions, but through meaningful action. Let us create policies, platforms, spaces that give them opportunities they rightfully deserve. Let us commit to ensuring every woman, whether in a leadership role or in grassroots level, has access to opportunities for growth, advancement, and success. Now, more than ever, it is our responsibility to be advocates of equality, ensuring that women from all walks of life have support, the respect, and the freedom to thrive. To all women here today, whether you serve in the Philippine Coast Guard, lead in your communities, or contribute in your unique ways, your strength, intelligence, and courage inspire us all. Let us carry the message of this Women's Month forward, not throughout the 31 days of March, but every day. Tandaan natin ang bawat hakbang pasulong, pero makaliit, ay makakatulong sa pag-usad tungo sa inaasam natin bagong Pilipinas. Kung saan umiiral ang pagkapantay-pantay at kinikilala ang husay ng individual. Ano man ang kasarian, pagtutulungan natin makamit itong bagong Pilipinas. Kung saan ang buong tapang na tumitindig ng kababaihan ay di lang para sa sarili, kundi pati sa bawat kapwa at bansa. Mabuhay ang kababaihan at mabuhay ang tanod bayan ng Pilipinas.